Looks like we're ready for our first bull rider, Clint Jones of Turnerville, Texas. And he's out. Hey, quick turn back, right in the spin. And he is right in the middle, ready to be tied on the rope. And he's moving his upper body right back in position. And it's going to be a good one for Clint Jones. No, he's in trouble. Down on the ground hard. Some break for Clint. How about we give him a round of applause? Well, our next bull rider's Gus Anderson. He makes his home in Bandera. He's riding Whitewater. Here's a big yellow whale that will do some belly rolls and get the rider down in a hurry.